dysfunctional vet. This big mess that you see right here is a vevor hose reel for a 165-foot hose. What we are doing, we're putting it together. It comes with these short screws, and they fit in. I'm putting the threads to the inside. You need a Phillips on the outside. I was looking to see if I saw a size on this Phillips, but I don't. And on the inside, this is a 10 millimeter. There'll be a total of 12 of these to put into place. And as soon as I have these back into compliance, I will show you what we have. These are the first stages of construction with the center pieces in. I've been using this screwdriver right here, and I've decided I'm going to use a power drill, and I'm going to turn the torque way down and see if I can get this done faster. This took about 5 minutes. I figure with the drill it'll take a lot less. Takes a couple of seconds, then I go back with a smaller screwdriver, a manual screwdriver, and just firm them up. So this is going to take probably just maybe 2 minutes. Turn your wheel spindles out from each other and connect this shaft in and put the screws on, the nuts. Now these are locks, so you're going to have them on both sides and then torque them together to get them to tighten up. So, I hope that's on record. It is. So this is the next step after you create the spindle down there. These are number 10 nuts. So I need to grab something to hang on to this other one, and then we'll tighten them together. You have the feet on here, so figuring out how this thing goes is pretty easy. Slide this little jewel in here, and I don't think you'll see it. I think I'm off camera. And you now have the basic setup, and you are ready to assemble all of this together with your feet on the bottom. With your feet on the bottom, and then the reel will be situated in here. So we'll make that happen, and I'll show you that in stages. The reel will go on the front side, and this will go on the back side. And I'm going to attempt to do this one-handed and see where we get to. Incidentally, you have a bearing right here which fits onto this, turns up. We have these long screws. fit through this. Which fit through this. And of course, these are hex heads, and I'll have to grab something to tighten them up with. But we'll go ahead and get this framed up, and I will finish this off camera. After you put this together, the reel goes on the outside or the back side of where the wheel spindle is. After you get these all tightened up, the next thing to put on is the wheels. Wheels need a washer. You have cotter pins. And then with a pair of pliers, you just bend these. And now your tires are on. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. Here it is assembled, freely turning. The handle goes on. The pin, the hairpin, goes inside. And you're in business. From start to finish, about 30 minutes to put it together. Would have been a lot shorter if I had some assistance, but as you can see, I have, shall we say, less than enthusiastic assistance. Dysfunctional, that out.